Now, what are the here actually in our mathematics point of view? There we are calling it as a digits or numbers. There we are calling it as a digits or numbers. Here also we can call it as a digits or numbers, but I am using a different term, symbols. I am using a different term, symbols. You can use any name, whether it may be a digits or numbers, but I am using it as a different name, symbols. In decimal number system, what are the different symbols we are having? How many different symbols are there? And what are the symbols? What are those different symbols?
10, sir.
0 to 9.
0 to 9. That means all these digits, I am calling it as a symbol. Everyone is a symbol, a different symbol. Here in a decimal number system, I am using 10 different symbols from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. 10 different symbols, 0 to 9. These are the 10 different symbols that are there in decimal number system or human understandable number system. Human understandable number system. We have only these 10 distinct symbols are different digits. We don't have more than 10 symbols in decimal number system. That is the reason deci or deca means 10. Why that name comes to this number system as a decimal number system? Deca or deci means, in our mathematics point of view, deca or deci means 10. Deca or deci means 10. That is the reason this number system we are calling it as a decimal number system. This we are calling it as a decimal number system. 10 distinct symbols are there in decimal number system. Now coming to the binary number system. How many distinct symbols are there in the binary number system?
0, 1.
0,
2.
comma 1. Two symbols are there. Two. Generally two. We are calling it as a binary. Bi means two. Bi means two. Bifurcation means we have to divide. Divide means two. Bi means two. That is the reason binary means it is having the binary number system is having two distinct symbols. That two only two numbers 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. These 0 comma 1 we have taken from here only. That means from here only we are taking these two numbers, the first distinct symbol as well as the second distinct symbol. Now coming to the octal number system, how many distinct symbols are there?
8, sir.
8. What is the range? From
0 to 7.
0 to 7.
0 to 7.
7. 0 to 7. Okay. Octa. Generally, whenever you are purchasing a mobile phone nowadays, they are mentioning the processor, octa core processor, octa core or dual core. Dual core means, dual means two. Octa means what?
8, 8, sir.
8.
8. Quad core. Quad means what?
4.
4.
4. Quad core processor, octa core processor, or dual core processor. Octa means 8. That is the reason for this number system. The name comes octal number system. Why? Because here we are using 0 to 7 distinct symbols, or 0 count is 8. Count. Please remember the distinction between the range and count. Count of symbols are 8. The range is 0 to 7. From where we are getting these numbers? From where we are getting these different 8 symbols? From this decimal number system only. All these from here to here. This is a octal number system. I hope everyone it is clear. Now, what about the hexadecimal number system? How many distinct symbols we are using in a hexadecimal number system?
16.
16, sir.
Hexa means 16. Hexa means 16. Okay, hexa means 16. Here we are using 16 distinct symbols. 16 distinct symbols. What is the range? What are those 16 values in hexadecimal number system?
0 to 9, A to F.
0 to 9,
A
0 to
to F.
9, A to F. Very good. A to F. These 0 to 9s we have taken from the decimal number system. Why? Because we have only 10 distinct symbols. But in hexadecimal number system, the hexa means 16. Hexa means 16. We don't have 16 distinct symbols. We don't have 16 distinct symbols. We have in decimal only 10 distinct symbols. These 10 symbols we have taken from decimal number, and the remaining 6 symbols, we have taken from alphabets A to F. From alphabets A to F. From alphabets A to F. These are the ranges of these 4 different types of number systems, as well as the count of numbers. Count of